And there should be higher representation than myself here today, but it is what it is. The truth that I desire to impart to you today, especially as leaders, as persons who are elected, men and women, you're not only responsible for your own actions to the Lord, but you have a higher responsibility as you've been given charge over many people. As the Lord himself said, to one to whom much has been entrusted, much will be required. As to the goodness or lack of goodness to these things, very clear by divine revelation. St. Paul, the great apostle to the Gentiles, was the one who said, for a man to lie with another man, an abomination. For a woman to lie with another woman, an abomination. I don't care if you're Catholic, Baptist, whatever faith, you in contradiction to the Lord, you're in contradiction to the Lord. And the Lord was the one who said, if you are opposed to my precepts and decrees, there is no truth within you, and I do not know you. So the five of you are very responsible to God. It is also very detrimental to the culture to have these things promulgated upon our culture. In fact, if you look at any great society in the history of the world, this was one of the premier factors to their end. And so it is an affront to the Lord and to his people. You may be the one to profess faith or not profess faith. You may be the one to ask the same question that the procurator of the Roman Empire asked there in Jerusalem. What is truth? But if it is that you profess something, you have to be a person of integrity. You can't just blow with the wind in any way. And that's why primarily I wanted to speak to the five of you, so that you're not going to be able to stand before the just judge and say you didn't know about it. And to the good people, it's true the same way. I was watching some politicians who openly profess their homosexuality, and they said, well, if somebody has a problem to me, they have a problem to my Creator. Well, obviously you don't know anything about your Creator. And that's to anyone. Sometimes people say, well, God is love and he loves all persons. That's not true. The Lord was the one who said, if you love me, keep my commandments, or I will know you. And you will be in the darkness where there is wailing and grinding and teeth. So the purpose for a human person to serve in public office is for the truth and for the common good. The five of you make great offense to both of those this day. Thank you.
Thank you. Michael, I'm actually asking, it starts with